This is the SAP Developer News for November 20th, 2025. Hey everybody, welcome from the TechEd on Tour. We're here in Singapore today for a code jam, our second to last stop on the TechEd on Tour. Next week we'll be in Bangalore for the big TechEd event there. Everybody looking forward to that? Yeah, right now we're here in the SAP offices in Singapore, and if you see behind us, there is Ella, the robotic barista, making rich hot chocolate right now. So we're enjoying the comforts of the SAP office and looking forward to seeing everybody in Bangalore next week. So until then, we'll see you there. See you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Hola, SAP developers. In case you missed it, there is a new CAP plugin in town, the Advanced Event Mesh plugin. You can leverage this new plugin to easily connect your CAP application with SAP Integration Suite Advanced Event Mesh and stop publishing or consuming events. Check out the plugin documentation to find out more about how to set up this plugin. I'm including the links in the description. Happy eventing!
The conference season is very much in full swing, keeping us developer advocates busy. From organizing and running Devtoberfest through giving the developer keynote and running the developer garage at TechEd in Berlin, and lots more. And now many of the team are playing a major role in the on-tour part of the event, with a stop in Sydney, one in Melbourne, and now, as you've seen from an earlier item in this very news episode, one in Singapore on their way to Bangalore. Over on this side of the world, we have coming up the SAP UK and Ireland User Group Conference Connect. It's a great event. It's happening from Sunday the 30th of November through Tuesday the 2nd of December. That's right. It's like a family reunion. Lots of discussions take place, learning is shared, and friendships are made. I'm very honored to be there. I'm running 2 sessions, a hands-on workshop on modeling with CAP's CDS and also a tech talk on local first development with CAP. If you're attending Connect, come along and say hello. In fact, come to the sessions. The only thing you need to bring is your curiosity. See you there.
The latest SAP BTP ABAP environment release 2511 is here, and it has been available since November 15th. And it's packed with upgrades across ADT, RAP, Fiori, business configuration, integration, and more. So here's a few highlights you don't want to miss. First, big feature drops across the tooling. In ADT, you now get Ghost Text keyword completion as the new default. A new editor for email templates. You can create custom email templates using the Maintain Email Template apps and full business configuration set, editing right inside ADT. Plus, Mac OS users, the graphical call timeline for ABAP traces is now supported. In RAP, you can now log-based change documents as business events using the new syntax to read entity, with changes to inspect change operation and define global side effects that refresh UI properties automatically with a single keystroke. Now, this was only a handful of updates. For the full list of updates, read the blog post in the description below.
Welcome here in Berlin, TechEd 2025 on-site. It's so great. We headed over from the Devtoberfest. Now we're here, and a lot of TechEd tour stops will join. I'm very happy to have you here. I know that you joined the Devtoberfest and not just joining. You did win the Devtoberfest. It's so amazing. So what was your experience? What did you like? What was your highlight of that?
The Devtoberfest was incredible. The opportunity to experience the different areas of SAP and to become exposed to those areas was incredible. Having a focus on web technologies, but being exposed to the other services that I was not exposed to prior was very eye-opening and made me really deep dive into those areas. So I was able to draw some insights that I could reflect back into my work at my work camp.
And that's great. And now being here on site, being on TechEd, so what did you was thinking or wishing for, and What is you highlighted here?
Oh, I was wishing for more, and I got more than that. It was really incredible because it was nonstop sessions, hands-on road mapping, in so many different areas. It was morning to evening of consuming information that I can take back and be empowered with. So I'm very excited to go back and share what I've learned this week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.